Hi guys, today we're making Brazilian funk, or phonk. Either way, it's one of the two, so don't get angry at me, please. But yeah, it's going to be in the style of Accelerada. You know that song that's like bam, 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 bam. I got this little one shot online. Bam, 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 badam. Got a little reverb and some delay. We're missing something here and I can't quite figure out what it is. Okay, we can definitely work with this. Here's the thing, right? I like how this sounds. But I think if we pitch these up a little bit, not that. I think having that perfect fifth adds like a new harmonic to the sound that makes it sound cool. So maybe we do that. Bassline time. Rain X. Bass synth. Right, let's take this preset. Right, we're going on to the vocals. We're done with the melody. Let's open up a little splice. Let's go Spanish vocal.
Ay, qué rico se ve eso. Te ve, estoy buscando un gatito. Estás pendiente. Ay, ay, qué rico. Dime que lo déjame ponerle chiles de mangú. Pide lo que quiera, yo lo tengo en el menú.
We want something more melodic.
Mala fama, se la pasa.
Yeah, this one's cool.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala.
Still want to pitch this up.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala.
Let's add some chorus.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala.
Drums. Right, let's add a kick.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo.
Right, let's add some sidechain.
Mala fama, se la pasan diciendo que soy mala.
Right, this needs to be way higher pitched. I've just realised this. I think we also need to add so much distortion to this. Oh, now we have a problem with this. This is cool. I wanna be bueno. Right, guys, I've realised I made a mistake. I should have started with the vocal. Right, this is hard. I can't lie. I thought this would be easy. I always forget to save these. Brazilian funk, but also called phonk. Yeah. Right, let's mess around with this vocal a little. Yeah. Where's that fat kick? Goes. There we go. Rename. Fat kick. We're going to make a new vocal at some point. I might even just sing it myself. I'm not going to do that. Snare. Snare. Guys, we're kind of going away from the style of Accelerada here, but it's still going to sound good, I think. Psh, psh. You guys ready for some serious sauce? I think we're getting somewhere. Side chain. Oh, oops. We want one of those weird choppy vocals.
Toma, toma, ela toma.
Ela toma, toma, toma. What key are we in?
Ela toma, toma.
Transition time. I think we want the other kick to reverse. Guys, my camera died, damn! So there's some extra stuff here, but I'm going to walk you guys through it. We've got this little vocal that I chopped up. And then we can add this little snare roll thingy. There we go. Guys, I think we cooked. And there's a test we can do to see if we really did cook. Trust the process. Drag this in, stretch, resample. Anyway, here's how our final track sounds.